Duma. Duma.
What are you cooking?
Pine nut. Pine nut.
Is it a pine nut or a walnut?
Pine nut.
I think Mama gave you walnuts.
Walnut. Walnut. Walnut castle. Walnut castle.
How many do you have?
One.
You have two. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4 walnuts.
Tomato.
Tomato. How many tomatoes do you have?
1. Tomato. 2 tomato.
Is there a choto tomato?
2 tomato more.
You want more choto tomato? How many tomatoes do you have?
1. Walnut.
A walnut. How many tomatoes do you have?
1, 2.
2. Inside no eating? What's inside no eating? The walnut is outside no eating. Walnut inside is for eating. Walnut inside eating, outside no eating.
Walnut, I think. Pine nut.
It's a walnut. Pine nut is different.
What cooking now?
A cooking spoon. Is that Bubba's cooking spoon?
Lid.
Lid.
Tomato. Walnut. What cooking now? Learn the cooking. Walnut. Pine nut. Pine nut.
Pine nut.
Pine nut cook.
You want to do pine nut cooking?
Yes.
Oh, Mama doesn't have any pine nuts for cooking.
Pine nut.
Mama has pine nuts for hum for eating.
Mama pine nut eating now.
You don't want Mama to eat the pine nuts?
Tomato. Cooking. Cooking. Tomato cooking. Tomato more.